So this is how I make my animations. And you can do it too, like even kids can do it. And by kids I mean like 9-year-olds. Not like 13-year-olds, because 13-year-olds can do it because I'm 13. Now you want to search WICK Editor and click the first result. You get launch web editor. You don't even sign up. You don't even sign up. Yeah, it's just it'll show you this if you've already worked on something. Click load if you're working on something you're already working, but just click X if you're not. Now you're gonna want to see this side cursor. You want to click brush. Now my pen's broken, so I have to use the keyboard and the mouse to do it. So you just want to like draw a guy. You can click undo if you don't like what you just did. Draw a guy. There we go. Now we can draw his shirt. Draw his arm. Undo. Gee willikers. Okay, there we go. Right, yeah. Now you can draw his legs. And give him a little smile. Yeah. Right, now you see with your frames, you want to click the next one. And you want to click this, onion skinning. And you have like a little blurry version of what we had earlier. We're gonna trace some of it because we want it to look different, so it's an animation because it's animated, so like moves and stuff there. And what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to like have his arms be up in the air. Have his arms be up. Wait, and we'll undo. We'll like spread his legs around too. Yeah, there you go. So he's like jumping. Will I give him an open mouth too? And have his eyes a little higher. There we go. Now we remove the onion skinning. Now we can click preview. We have a little looping animation of a guy doing jumping jacks. This is very choppy. It looks pretty crap. It looks pretty bad. So, well, it's okay if you're starting. But you can make it better really easily by just moving this frame to the third. Just make it a little smaller. Boom, and now the first one's here and the second one's here. Now in here, we can like onion skin and make sure it's covering both of the frames. So now we have a little in-between thing. It looks messy now, but just trace. Oh, undo. Just trace him. There we go. Trace his head and body. We want to keep his head and torso the same. And then with his arms, we're just gonna scoop. Oop. There we go. Yep, there we go. Right, now we want to have like a little in between of being open and closed. And then we can have it like, yeah, and now we can disable the onion skin. And now look. Looks way more smooth, doesn't it? If you want it to look even smoother, you can go to the smear, click C here for copy. Now go to the frame after this frame, click it, and then click paste so it like smoothly in the loop goes back to the first. So you get this. That's pretty smooth, isn't it? Yeah, now we have an animation of a lad doing his jumping jacks. Yeah. To save your animation, you want to go to my project, give it a name this. I'm gonna name this lad doing jumping jacks. Go apply. So now it's called lad doing jumping jacks. Now you can like save if you want to come back to animating it later. You can do that, and then you can like open the file later. Or if you want to turn it into video, you can click export video beta, click export video beta, and then you just wait a little. It's only 4 frames, so it's really quick here, but like if it were longer, it would take, yeah, the longer your animation is, the longer it'll take to export. So yeah. Now you're probably going, oh Rian, what about lip sync? Well, I have lip sync right here. It's pretty basic lip sync, but it works. So at the assets library, you want to click upload assets, and you have like an MP3 of what you want, or like any audio file. Here I have it's this hot dog. We have it here. You can click on it. Look.
Hot dog.
Hot dog, yeah. Then we put hot dog. Oh wait, no. A layer. You want to click plus. Layer 2. We can rename this to audio. Yep, audio. And here at the first, we click plus there, and we drag hot dog in here, and we just like pull it out until it stops, which would be there. Now here we have like hot dog.
Hot dog.
Now if you want an animation of a person saying hot dog, so first here. Now it might not look so good because keep in mind guys, my pen is broken, so I have to use mouse for this video. But I'm gonna draw a face. Yeah, we're gonna like just draw a very simple picture of a guy here. Cool, very cool. And then you really want to pay attention here to when he starts speaking. He doesn't speak. Wait, no. Noise doesn't play until like here. So we get here. We want to click copy, paste, cursor, cover the closed mouth with it, delete, brush, onion skin. Have that. Now the first sound is ha, which is a regular open mouth, just plain old open mouth. Get the fill bucket, fill your mouth, remove onion skinning. So now we have
Hot.
Now actually all of hot would just be that, so we can just cover this. We can get the closed, copy, paste, and then here, now you start speaking.
Dog.
Now we're gonna copy this, paste it here. Now we're only gonna keep it for the bit where it's duh.
Dog.
So
Dog.
So just this is duh. Then we want to go back to the closed mouth, copy that, paste it here. Onion skin. Wait, no, sorry. Undo the onion skin. Expand it just a tiny bit. Just there we go. Get copy, paste. onion skin. Now ignore the open mouth. We just want the O for our closed mouth. That's too big. The O on our closed mouth. Then fill bucket. Undo the onion skin and just have it for the rest of our noise. We don't need this. We can just put this when the noise ends, and there we have it for all there. For all of the og, because that's what og would be. So
hot dog,
yeah, very basic. It's basic, but it works. Credit to Bruce Do Films. That's what inspired me for this.
hot dog,
Hot dog. Yeah, that's what Bruce Do Films has inspired me for this kind of lip sync. I used to just do closed mouth, open mouth, but this little really helps.
hot dog,
It also works well for R as well.
hot dog,
It also works for the r, and oo noises.